Many of us are so blinded how much salt that we actually take in per day, right? Now you're probably saying, well, I don't add salt. But if you only knew how much salt there are in frozen foods, canned foods, foods on the shelf, cereals, you will definitely be shocked. And I want to share with you the 20 different signs that you are consuming too much salt. So you can make these changes right away so you can keep your body healthy. Excessive salt intake will cause dehydration, leading to increased thirst. If you notice that you're constantly thirsty, yes, it can be elevated glucose, sugar levels in your blood, but high sodium will definitely make your brain tell your body to drink more. And many people think that, okay, I won't drink a lot of water before I go to bed. But what happens is when you have so much sodium inside your body, your kidneys work overtime to try to excrete it. And if you're having swelling or bloating, excessive sodium will definitely cause that water retention. It will cause that stomach to swell. You could also get swelling in your hands, feet, as well as your face. And most of us already know that if we're eating too much sodium, it can raise our blood pressure. I'm sure your doctors have told you that many times. Cut down on the sodium. And when your blood pressure is elevated, it can cause problems to the eyes, the kidneys, the heart, as well as the brain. And if you're experiencing lots of headaches, I highly recommend to cut back your sodium levels because this can definitely trigger headaches or migraines in many individuals. And if you're having fatigue, excessive salt can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance. And this will cause lots of tiredness with little or no energy. And too much sodium will lead to muscle cramps, throwing off the electrolyte balance, leading to more muscle spasm and contraction. If you're having a hard time concentrating, high sodium levels can affect cognitive function, making it hard to concentrate or focus, and even having an increased heart rate. Excessive sodium can elevate your heart rate and potentially strain the cardiovascular system. Consuming too much salt can contribute to fluid retention in the lungs. You can have shortness of breath. And if you always notice that your mouth is dry, excessive intake of salt will definitely cause it to get worse. You can also feel problems in your throat as well. High sodium levels will affect your skin. And if you're prone to have psoriasis or eczema, this can flare the condition up. And if you notice you're getting acid reflux, constipation, as well as bloating, there's no question that excessive salt will lead to digestive problems. And too much sodium can lead to kidney problems because salt places additional strain on the kidneys, potentially leading to kidney problems over time. And as a result of dehydration, you will be more prone to have kidney stones. You will also have an increased risk of osteoporosis because high sodium intake can increase calcium excretion, potentially affecting bone health and increasing the risk of osteoporosis. And many of you who are on diets will notice, well, I'm not losing weight. I'm eating less calories, I'm exercising, but your body's retaining too much sodium. You can retain a significant amount of weight just from that excessive fluid. And if you're a soda drinker, high sodium levels will make you crave sugary drinks to quench your thirst. And very few people will alert you that if you're having sleeping problems, insomnia, having too much sodium within your body will cause distension not only in your belly, but in your throat. It can make you snore more, not giving you the correct sleeping that your body needs. And if you're having joint pain, excessive sodium may be your answer, because this will lead to inflammation and swelling around the joint capsule, which will lead to more distress and aching. And lastly, some studies suggest that high salt diets may be linked to an increase of stomach cancer. While the exact mechanisms are not fully understood, excessive salt intake can potentially damage the stomach lining and increase the risk of developing cancerous cells. And I'm sure that the majority of people out there do not add tons of salt to their food, but I just want you to be familiar that there is excessive amounts of salts that's hidden in your foods. Many of these salts help preserve the foods. So, just be aware what's going in your body. And if you are experiencing any of these symptoms or conditions, just start becoming more aware and mindful what's going inside your body so you can stay healthy. Please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.